So we got the new parts on after they came. Oh, they're nice. Little dusty, but they're nice. New airbox, new carb. Still had a bit of a problem though. No matter how many times I pulled it, she wouldn't start. Had the on switch on, something was happening. Well, I remembered I took out a bit of oil, thinking that was the cause of the smoke. Turns out that was the actual problem, why it wasn't starting. There's the switch in the off position right now. But this little wire, that leads to a low oil sensor. So, topped her up. And this is what we got. There's my son running the damper. One pull, starts great. A little bit of smoke, but boy, this thing was handy.